All Pro Roof Stone Atlas provides trusted roof leak repair services in Allentown, PA, helping homeowners and businesses protect their properties from water damage and costly structural issues. We pride ourselves on honest assessments, affordable pricing, and dependable service that homeowners can count on year-round. Call our roof leak repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a roof leak repair near me? You can stop looking. You found the All Pro Roof Stone Atlas. What causes roof leaks? Roof leaks can be caused by missing or damaged shingles, cracked flashing, clogged gutters, storm damage, poor roof installation, aging materials, damaged vents, or problems around chimneys and skylights. Can a small roof leak become a major problem? Absolutely. Small leaks can lead to rotting wood, insulation damage, mold growth, and weakened structural components if left untreated. Prompt repairs help avoid expensive future repairs. What is your service area for Allentown, Pennsylvania? Our roof leak repair has helped clients in Allentown, Fogelsville, Trexlertown, East Texas, Westcosville, Emmaus, Ancient Oaks, Macungie, Albertus, Brennigsville, Shimerville, Zionsville, Mertztown, Maxitani, Lehigh County, Laurie's Station, Dorneyville, New Tripoli, Egypt, Schnecksville, Pennsylvania. Where is your roof leak repair in Allentown, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 429 Southwest Street, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18106. Our phone number is 484-806-0911. Visit our website, www.approofer.com/Allentown-PA.